tiny Manipur tucked away in the mountains of northeast India has always felt cut off from the Indian mainstream. There's always been a quest here for a strong counterculture. So perhaps it's not surprising that they're looking for inspiration from a country that's a little further away. Walk into any market and you'll come across DVD shops such as this one, dotting every street corner. And they're all selling Korean movies and dramas, which have become incredibly popular here, especially among young people. They're all smuggled in from Burma, which is right next door. They cost about $1. They're subtitled in English, which makes them easy to understand, and they give you the plot line at the end, so it's very helpful. For instance, this one says it's about Yan Di, an average girl whose father owns a dry cleaning store, when she meets 4 rich and spoiled boys when she delivers laundry to school one day.
유혹하거나 넘보면 절대로 안 됩니다.
They're all very simple plots, mostly romance and dramas, which is why apparently they're very popular. Do you all like Korean movies?
Yeah, we all do like Korean movies. They're great.
It's about love and all those things related to this relationship, and it's growing up fast though. It's growing up like fire in Manipur also.
It's quite a contrast from the rest of India, which is dominated by Bollywood. But Bollywood is banned in Manipur by insurgent groups fighting the Indian government, who believe that it's a corrupting influence. From tattoos to fashion style, even hairstyling. It's not just the movies, there's now an affinity for anything Korean among young Manipuris. Here in the salon, for instance, you can see a poster of Kim Hyun-jung, who's a popular Korean movie star and also a singer. Even a poster of the music band Super Junior. Almost as if a little bit of Korea is seeping into Manipur. Now Shanmi here has been cutting hair for a while. Shanmi, tell me, how popular are Korean hairstyles here?
Korean movie.
A lot of youth watch Korean films. Korean fashion is popular here, and they come to ask us for latest hairstyles.
Many people here say they find it easier to relate to and connect to Korean culture. And they believe that physically they resemble the Koreans and East Asians a lot more than they do the Indians. The irony, of course, is somewhere along the way, the question of what is Manipuri identity and culture may just have got lost.